Look around you. Men today have 50% less testosterone than their grandfathers did at the exact same age. You aren't dealing with a lack of potential. You are dealing with a silent, modern castration. You go to the gym, you try to eat clean, but your jawline is still soft, your energy is low, and your drive is non-existent. Why? Because of 5 micro habits you are unconsciously doing every single day. In this video, we aren't giving you the generic advice. We are breaking down the 5 silent killers of your masculinity and the exact brutal fixes to reclaim your dominant state. Let's start with number 1, and it's probably in your hand right now. Habit number 1, drinking from plastic and heating food in plastic. When you drink water from a plastic bottle or microwave your food in plastic containers, you are absorbing xenoestrogens. These are chemical compounds like BPA and phthalates that literally mimic estrogen in your body. Your brain gets confused, thinks you have enough hormones, and shuts down your natural testosterone production. You are literally absorbing a chemical soft filter for your face and body. The fix: throw away the plastic. Invest in a high-quality stainless steel or glass flask. Never, under any circumstance, heat food in plastic containers. Switch to ceramic or glass. Stop poisoning your endocrine system for convenience. Habit number 2, doom scrolling in the dark before sleep. You think it's harmless relaxation, but you are biologically suffocating your testosterone. 70% of your daily testosterone is produced while you are in deep REM sleep. When that blue light hits your retinas at midnight, it blocks melatonin and spikes cortisol, which is the stress hormone. High cortisol acts like a sniper to testosterone. When cortisol is up, your T levels crash to 0. The fix: execute the 10-3-1 rule. No caffeine 10 hours before bed. No food 3 hours before bed. And absolutely no screens 1 hour before sleep. Charge your phone across the room. Make your bedroom a pitch-black cave. If you master your sleep, your hormone production will skyrocket naturally. Habit number 3, consuming hidden seed oils and ultra-processed foods. Most modern cheat meals are loaded with vegetable oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil. These oils are highly unstable and packed with polyunsaturated fatty acids that oxidize inside your body, causing systemic inflammation. This inflammation directly damages the Leydig cells in your testes, which are the factory where your testosterone is actually produced. This also causes water retention, leading to a bloated, puffy face. The fix: base your diet on whole, single-ingredient foods. Fuel your body with healthy, testosterone-building saturated fats like whole eggs, grass-fed beef, butter, and extra virgin olive oil. Saturated fat and cholesterol are the exact raw materials your body needs to synthesize masculine hormones. Stop doing these 5 habits starting tonight. Track your results and unlock your true aesthetic potential. Welcome to Ultra Rise.